Okay, so in the last video we worked on step 3, doing a 360, and we saw that the turtle turns 360 degrees every time it goes around a polygon. And in fact, we saw that also with this circular reasoning software, that every polygon has 360 degrees worth of these turn angles. Sometimes these are called external angles also. No matter how many divisions you have in your circle, all the degrees, all the external angle degrees, or all those turn degrees, add up to 360. Okay. So where are we now? So now we're up to circles. That sounds like fun. How would we draw a circle? I'm going to clean this. Wait a minute. It says you can use buttons to help you explore your geometry. In the Pages menu, select New Page to add a second page to the project. So let's do that first. So I'm going to go to Pages, New Page, and now I have a second page. And one way you can tell you have two pages is that right here it says page 1 and page 2. You can select page 1 and go back to the page we were on, or you can go to page 2. And another way you can navigate through the pages is with these arrows. You can go back and forward. Okay, so we have a new page. It says hatch a new turtle. So we go to the icon with the turtle hatching out of the egg right here and put it on the screen. It says create a button. First, click the button tool on the toolbar. So it looks like somebody pushing a button with their finger. We'll click on that and then click on the page. Oh, a dialog box opens. The instruction is executed when the button is clicked. In the instruction line, that's right here, type forward 1. The label shows on the button face. Give the button a label that explains what this button does. The label can be anything, but the instruction must be exactly as shown above. So let's type in, I think actually they say forward a little. Or you can call it anything you want. Now, notice you can't see the whole label that I have in here. There's a trick that you can use with buttons or with text boxes to change their size. The way I usually do it is I click somewhere near the button or the text box or whatever, and push down your mouse button so you're dragging. And you can see how this rectangle is forming. The rectangle should overlap some way with the object that you're trying to resize. And then you get these little drag buttons, these little things here, these black squares. And you see if you hover over them, your cursor changes into like a cross. So now you can click down and drag that out to resize it. Okay, and now we can see the whole, all the words forward a little. All right. Oh, it looks like I didn't finish because we're supposed to say do it forever. So if I say forward a little right now, it just does it once. So the way to get back in, if you started to do something and decide you want to change what you have the button doing, you can hold down the control key and click on here and pick edit, and now I can choose forever instead of once. Okay. Alright, so that's that. and it says now create a second button following the steps above, but this one is going to be to turn a little. It's going to go right one forever. Alright, so let's try that. We'll click on the button, click down here where we want it, and we'll say turn a little, and the instruction is going to be right one, and we'll put forever down there. Say OK. And again, I want to resize this so I can see my label. There it is. Right there. Okay. Oh, did I click the forever button? Let me just make sure. I'm going to go in and edit. Yep. Okay, good. All right. Put the turtle's pen down. Oh, let me just see. Did I have it down right? No, I didn't draw anything yet, so it must be up. So I'm going to... so one way you can put the pen down is by, typing PD. Another thing you can do is just check the backpack and click on down PD to make sure the pen is down. So now let's see what happens. It says click on the forward button, and what happens? Oh, this draws in a straight line. When the button's clicked, the turtle goes forward one turtle step, but it does this forever, or at least until the button's clicked again. So you click the button to stop it. Let's try the turn a little button. He's just spinning in a circle. It kind of looks like he's flickering back and forth, but if we edit this to slow him down a little bit, if I say right one and wait one, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, now you can see he's just turning around and around and around forever. Okay, so I'm going to edit this, take out the wait. Okay, so now if I say turn a little, okay. So it's kind of an optical illusion when you're looking at it. It looks kind of like he's going all over the place, but he's actually turning 360 degrees over and over and over. Alright, so when the turtle moves forward a little and turns a little and does each of these actions many times, it draws a circle. Drawing a circle is like drawing a oh well, let's see. Let's confirm that. So if I say forward a little and turn a little, what happens? Oh yeah. Kind of looks like he's making a circle. Maybe what I need to do, I'm going to stop these both and clean them. Clean up. Oh, in fact, if I say CG, that cleans everything and also puts me right in the middle, right? I'm going to click the turn a little button first and then turn the forward. Click the forward a little. Look at that. It's a circle. Cool. Okay. And again, you could stop the action by clicking on the buttons, or you could click the stop all button up here.